This lesson's on 8.3, area of circles. So the area of a circle is all in the inside of the circle, unlike the circumference, which was the rim or the crust outside of the circle. So let's go ahead and calculate the inside part of the circle. And if you notice the formula in this case, there's only one formula. It is area is equal to pi times r squared. So we need to find the radius in this case. And if you have a diameter, then like the circumference, we talked about that, we can divide diameter by 2 to find the radius. In our case, in example 1, we have to find the area, and we're given 26 as our diameter. So we're going to have to go ahead and split that up. So let's find the radius, and radius is going to be the diameter, which is 26 in this case, divided by 2. So we're going to take half of that, which is 13. So now using 13 as our radius, let's go ahead and use this formula and do pi times 13 squared. Let's go ahead and change our pi to 3.14, and 13 squared is 169. So we're going to go ahead and just put that in the calculator and get a number of 530.66 inch. And then this is going to be squared because area is going to be squared. So that is the area of this circle. Example 2, we're going to continue to find the area. In this case, our radius is given as 7, so we don't have to do as much work here. So we're going to go ahead and put pi as 3.14, and our radius is 7 squared. So what is 7 squared? 7 squared is 49, so we're going to go ahead and multiply 49, and we'll just put that in the calculator, and we get 153.86. In this case, the unit centimeters squared. Example 3, we're finding the area of the semicircle. So previously we have done something like this for the circumference of the semicircle, but this time we're doing the area of the semicircle. So this area formula, remember, this gives us the whole area of the circle. So it's all of this piece inside, but in the figure that we have, we want half of that. So once we get the area formula, we'll divide it by 2 to get the half. So let's go ahead and put it into our area formula. Pi is going to give us 3.14, and r in this case is 11, so 11 squared. And what is 11 squared? It is 121. So now we're going to go ahead and put that in the calculator, and we get 379.94. Okay, so again, that was all of that circle, and we don't want all of the circle, we want half of that. So the semicircle, let me just call it semi, we're going to go ahead and take 379.94 and divide it by 2 to get 189.97 centimeter squared. Example 4, we're finding the area of the semicircle. In this case, we're given the diameter, so I need to find radius. And radius is diameter divided by 2, so we're going to go ahead and take our 8 divided by 2, giving us 4. So radius is 4 is what I'm working with. So now going back to this area formula, we have pi, which is 3.14, times the radius is 4 squared. And what is 4 squared? Is 16, so 3.14 times 16. We'll put that in the calculator and get 50.24. And again, this is all of the circle, area of this circle right here that we found, and we only need half of that. So we're going to go ahead and do the semi, and do 50.24 divided by 2 to get half of that, and we're going to get 25.12 meters squared.